Hi everyone, this is Fenggu. Usually I do videos in Chinese, but I hardly find any English tutorials for Julia for developing a package. So that's why I decided to also do a serious tutorial in English, so more people can how to, so it is useful for more people. So before I do my video, I want to state that even though it is very hard to find any tutorial series to talk about the development of a Julia package, however, there's one by Chris uh, Crack Coast. I don't know how to pronounce his name right, but here is the video over here. I will post the link in the comments as well. And this tutorial was very great. I initially watched these videos and it is so helpful. However, this video made in 2019, so Julia is very fresh programming language, so it developed very fast. So almost 1 year and a lot of things. I mean, some of the things he talked about was already not useful right now, or so I find myself um, a little bit like a lot of, some of the other package or some other tools useful as well when I was developing my first Julia package. I also want to add this into my videos series. Uh, Also, this video is like almost 1 hour long, and for me, I watched from beginning to the end was very exhausted. So I want to make my video into a playlist, and for each video there will be only 10 or 20 minutes, so people can have a break. So this is why I want to do these videos, and also I have another Chinese version in parallel into another playlist. But if you don't know Chinese, probably it's not very helpful for you. And also, this series is target for people who already have some fluency in programming and also in programming Julia. So I won't talk in details how to code in Julia, but I will demonstrate how to do things steps by steps. And also more important, even though I love to watch videos when I start a new language or start a new movement. However, it's important to read the documentation not only for Julia but for other packages or other programming language as well. So this is basically I want to say in the introduction. Then I want to briefly talk about which tools or softwares I would use in these tutorials. So first, I will use the Sublime Text 3, and it can be downloaded here. You just um, Sublime, just Google Sublime Text 3, and this is the instruction for downloading. And then I have terminals when I want to compile or test my scripts. I use terminals. Then I have another Git client, Git Kraken. It is fairly new to me, but it's quite useful compared to the commands in the terminal or the Git desktops, whether they don't have any Linux version so far. So this is basically I want to do today. So the next tutorial, I will talk about how to create a package with the Julia package template.jl, and we can say, like, we say you next video. Say you.